Welcome to this presentation by Pamlico Community College Library. Today we will be presenting on Ferguson's Career Guidance Center, providing an overview of this resource. Ferguson's Career Guidance Center is a powerful online resource available through NCLive that supports lifelong career exploration and planning. It is designed to help users assess their career goals, plan their education, develop workplace skills, and conduct effective job searches. Whether you're a student choosing a career path, a graduate entering the workforce, or a professional seeking a career change, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center offers tools and information to guide you every step of the way. The platform includes curated articles, videos, and interactive tools that match personal interests to real-world careers, making it essential for career readiness. To access Ferguson's Career Guidance Center, users should visit the NCLive website and search for the resource by name. Access will be available via your library card from Pamlico Community College, or if you are a student or employee of the college, you can log in with your email and password. Once logged in, users are presented with a clean, responsive interface that allows easy navigation through various career planning tools. The database is accessible both from library computers and remotely, ensuring flexibility for users. This accessibility makes it a valuable tool for job seekers and students who may not be able to visit a library in person. Ferguson's Career Guidance Center features detailed content on over 1,200 professions and 150 industries. Each profile includes information on job duties, required skills, education paths, earnings, employment trends, and more. The data is resourced from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, professional associations, and industry reports. Users can also view more than 230 proprietary video interviews with professionals offering firsthand insights into various careers. This comprehensive coverage helps users make informed decisions about their career paths and understand the realities of different industries. The platform includes robust tools for planning education, such as a school search feature and 2 comprehensive financial aid databases. Users can explore undergraduate, graduate, vocational, and nursing schools and access advice articles and videos to guide their educational journey. These tools are especially helpful for students preparing for college or vocational training as they provide essential information on institutions, programs, and funding options. By integrating education planning with career exploration, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center ensures users are well prepared for their chosen paths. Ferguson's Career Guidance Center offers a comprehensive set of tools for building professional resumes. Users can access a gallery of sample documents that illustrate various resume formats, including chronological, functional, combination, newsletter, and curriculum vitae. These samples are created by professional resume writers and career consultants and are available for download in Word and PDF formats. Users can customize these templates to suit their job search needs. The platform also includes informative articles and videos that explain best practices for resume writing, helping users create documents that make a strong first impression. In addition to resume templates, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center provides a variety of sample cover letters tailored to different job search scenarios. These include cold call, direct mail, referral, and response to advertising formats. Like the resume samples, these cover letters are downloadable and customizable. The platform also offers guidance on how to create effective cover letters through articles and videos. This support ensures users can craft compelling cover letters that highlight their qualifications and align with the expectations of potential employers. Ferguson's Career Guidance Center integrates with Monster.com to provide users with access to live job postings across the United States. This feature allows users to search for current openings in their desired fields and locations. The platform also includes directories of internships and apprenticeships, making it a valuable resource for students and early career professionals. By offering real-time job listings and application tools, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center helps users transition from career planning to active job searching. To support career readiness, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center includes resources on workplace skills such as interviewing, networking, and professional communication. These are delivered through articles and streaming videos. Additionally, users can take career interest assessments to identify professions and industries that align with their strengths and preferences. These assessments are interactive and provide personalized recommendations, helping users make strategic decisions about their career paths. Together, these tools foster a well-rounded approach to career development. Ferguson's Career Guidance Center is a comprehensive and user-friendly platform that supports career exploration, education planning, resume and cover letter creation, and job searching. Available through NCLive, it is accessible with your Pamlico Community College library card, or again, if you are an employee or student, you can access it with your email address and password. Users are encouraged to explore the database, utilize its tools, and take advantage of its resources to advance their career goals. Whether you're just starting out or making a career change, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center provides the guidance and support needed for success.